Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And today, well, of course, was day 2 of this dangerous heat wave, and we're still sitting in the mid-90s here at the 4 o'clock update. 96 in Muscle Shoals, 95 in Decatur, 94 in Huntsville. And we got the official numbers coming down, of course, for the 4 o'clock update about 50 minutes ago. We'll get a new update in about 10 minutes, but just some impressive humidity to go along with those mid-90s. A dew point of 78 degrees right now. That is dangerously high when you combine it with 94. That puts the heat index up to 110. Some seriously high values, so please be careful out there. And look at this. We hit a high of 96 today. That's actually 2 degrees lower than yesterday's high of 98 degrees. What's more impressive, though, we never dropped below 80 here in the overnight hours through this morning. And there is a big if with this record because we are in daylight saving time right now. To achieve that all-time record low of 80 set back in 1954, that has to stand all the way through 1 a.m. here tonight. And it's going to be tough because if we get any little bit of rain, that'll likely drop the temperature down into the upper 70s. But it is possible. So, again, we could tie the all-time warm record low for any day of the year for Huntsville for today. So there's a look at the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Big batch of thunderstorms that are moving away from North Alabama towards Birmingham. Those are severe storms. If we pause the radar, you'll also notice that we have this broken line of showers with a few embedded thunderstorms. First, we'll take a look at these storms. Again, these are dropping to the southeast. They're moving away from Coleman County, Marshall, and DeKalb County, but still impacting places like Etowah and Cherokee County. This is what I'm keeping a closer eye on. This could still intensify as it drops into North Alabama, considering the heat and humidity still in place. Some good news, we were watching this guy just popping up in the last 30 minutes, but since it popped up just closer to and just off to the north of Florence, it has since fallen apart. So we are seeing a lot of these storms kind of weakening as they drop in, but that does not mean we could not see more storms here for the rest of your Thursday. And we do have that 1 out of 5 severe risk, 2 just off to our south of the Tennessee River. So if you're closer to Marshall and Morgan County, you could see some stronger storms here this evening, possibly even severe storms. So this is what future radar is showing 6 o'clock here this evening. Look at the storms developing ahead of our cold front this evening. And some of these storms, again, could be severe, even right over top of Madison County before slowly getting pushed to the south through late tonight into the overnight hours. We should stay mostly dry into your Friday, but still a small chance for a few pop-up storms in the afternoon heat for your Friday. We're expecting highs in the upper 90s for tomorrow, but we will see some slightly drier air, lower humidity moving in behind tonight's cold front. That'll drop the heat index values a little bit, maybe just low enough that we will not have a heat advisory for tomorrow, but then it goes right back up here for this weekend. So we are still in the early stages of this extended, dangerous heat wave for North Alabama. You'll notice upper 90s all the way through at least Monday, but we're still in the mid 90s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. So we should be fine out at Toyota Field for the Trash Pandas, but it will be hot at 6:35 tomorrow. We'll be right back.